I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me, all that I want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you some weekend cleaning motivation. I'm just showing you a few things that we do to get ready for the week. We found that if we have the house in order, laundry done, everything in its place, that it makes the week run so much more smoothly. So I was just going to give you some motivation to get up and to get some things done today, whether you watch along with me and then clean or clean while I clean, but it will make your week run so much more smoothly and you will feel so productive by the end of the day because you've got things done. We had the itch to switch, so we pulled this couch apart and needed to clean out from under it, obviously. But there had been a spill. It looked like popcorn. There were crumbs everywhere, and I don't know if Flash was trying to eat that and shoot it up and just crumbs or what, or who spilled it or whatever. But I wish they would tell me because it would be much easier just to pull the couch out right then and get it up and not let it sit there for a week. But we pulled this out and seen that there was crumbs everywhere from something. But we wanted to move this furniture around. We thought we would flip it around and it be open to the dining room, everything open. We liked the sectional because we liked that it divided the rooms, but we thought we might like the openness of it. So we flipped this couch around, but then there's the door back there, and then you couldn't come from the kitchen breakfast nook area into the living room. So we split the couch up. And there is the black like mesh stuff on the sides from where that goes together, but we just threw a blanket over each end of that, and I don't know how long we'll leave it like that. We'll probably end up putting it back together soon, but just for a week or so, it gave us something different. So see what you think.
I've been waiting for a lifetime, just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights, just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drown in our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
This couch was so heavy and we were struggling, but I wanted to go ahead and clean this rug one more time while I still had the carpet cleaner out. And I need to go and clean all of my vacuums, the Bissell, the Dyson, this. I need to clean the brushes because it's just completely wrapped up with hair. And the tanks, the water tanks and stuff like that, it's just nasty. So I do need to take all those apart and clean those, and I'll probably include that in a video coming soon. But we just wanted to see what it would look like to have something different, and we were just in the mood to rearrange. So we tried this out, and it's not perfect. It's not really ideal to split up a sectional because you don't have an arm on one side, but it didn't look too bad. We do like to get some things like this done on the weekend, not necessarily rearranging, but just to get some things done. We used to struggle in the mornings. We are not morning people, especially on a Monday morning. And I never had anything together. Everything was just from one end of the house to the other. We were scrambling to find something to wear or to find hair bows or something like that. But now that we do this on the weekends and we get everything ready, I would rather lay around on a Sunday too, to be honest. But now that we get up and we do things on Sunday and get it ready for the week ahead, it helps so much.
You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only keep on fading in all these photos.
I'm editing this and doing a voiceover, I'm watching this back and I'm thinking, where in the world are we going to put a Christmas tree? But I guess we'll make a spot. Maybe we'll rearrange the couch the way it was before and put the Christmas tree in front of the windows. I'm thinking maybe, or we can move this, the little white table we have there to the right of the fireplace that has all the fall decor on it. Maybe we can move that in front of the window, put the Christmas tree there. I think that's where we had the Christmas tree last year. But we'll figure it out. I'm wanting to do 2 different trees this year, and we've ordered a few more things, Grinch, for our tree from Amazon. So as soon as those come next week, I think I'm going to go ahead and start decorating for Christmas. We are so excited to do that, and we've got the cutest stuff coming.
No chances, fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life.
I will say that splitting the sectional up like this makes the living room feel so much more open. When you walk in the front door, everything's just open and it feels like a huge room versus walking in and there's the sectional. It kind of just is in the middle of the floor. It does separate the space and it defines the rooms more, I guess you would say. I'm kind of wishing now that we would have got maybe 2 sofas and a love seat, or a love seat and 2 sofas, or a sofa, a love seat, or recliner, just something a little different, just to give us more options on moving things around. So maybe our next purchase will be something separate like that. But I love this sectional. Don't get me wrong. I love this sectional. It's so comfortable and I think it's so pretty.
Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life.
I remember when my kids were small and when they were babies, you would walk in the house and there would be like a pack and play or a swing or a walker, high chair, things like that. It was just all things baby. And I feel like that's how we are with animals now. There's cat hammocks, there's cat trees, there's cat swings, there's cat everything, or dog. So I feel like we're like back in that phase, but animals, not babies.
For the thrill of it, I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life. I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new, and every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you.
So Heather had already unloaded and loaded the dishwasher back, so there weren't too many dirty dishes. I think there might have been like 1 or 2 things in the sink from where we had just threw something in there. But I'm just going through this kitchen and getting some things up off this counter, like mail. We always have stacks of mail and just little things, gum, trash, whatever. But she had already did the dishwasher, so I was thankful for that, because y'all know that's not my favorite thing to do. But I'm just going to wipe these counters down. I'm going to throw my hair up because I was burning up. I can start out cleaning and I'm cold. And then by the time I'm halfway through, I'm breaking a sweat, I'm putting my hair up, I'm done. I put some wax in this wax warmer just to give the house a good smell because, you know, animals. And I'm just wiping this counter down and getting the kitchen looking all nice and clean.
Can't see, and I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through a
We have a running joke around here. It is don't ask questions. So when I seen that there was a random sock in our kitchen sink, I wasn't going to ask questions. Don't know. But Heather was doing the laundry, so she grabbed that and did get that sock cleaned, and we did clean the sink out. But yeah, don't know what that was about.
that feels wide open, stuck in the moment. That feels wide.
Our floors, guys, were disgusting. In this kitchen nook area, this is where we feed the animals, and that's kind of all it is. We don't have a table or anything there, and it's just an extra space, and it's really the only space we have to feed them because our kitchen is almost like a hallway. It's just a straight, narrow kitchen. So this is the only place we have to feed animals. So we were just cleaning this mess up because it was long overdue. And honestly, it just gets this way like the next day. It's never ending in this area. So I guess that's why we don't do it as much as we should. But we just cleaned that little area, and then here's Heather doing some laundry. I thought I would show a little behind the scenes of my laundry lady because she is the laundry queen. She does laundry, and this shows the openness of the living room with the sectional turned around. So that huge area is open. And then this is Kennedy's room. I was just going to give it a quick pick up and make her bed. As far as her trash and clothes and everything, like on her dresser, all that, she can do that. I just wanted to give her room a little pickup.
You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new. Then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
I know you're hurt, I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts, I can see.
I wanted to give this bathroom a good clean. Allison and Kennedy and Heather have all had a stomach bug, which of course Heather uses her own bathroom, and she cleaned her own, and I didn't film that. But I wanted to give this bathroom a good clean, and with a stomach virus, this toilet was so bad that I didn't even show a close-up. I cleaned that from a distance, so you guys can thank me for that because it was disgusting. But yeah, I wanted to get in here and give this bathroom a good clean and kill these germs.
I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. Yeah, I'm your light,
had me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can write all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
Didn't want to wait another day or two, or a few days, to even check on Allison's room again from where I had just cleaned it this week. So I went up there because I wanted to make the beds. But I went up there to make her bed and just to check on her room, and she sure enough had food on her nightstand again. So I did yell for her to come up there, and I made her take that down herself. And I think if I do this over and over and over, finally she's just going to see that if she takes it down when she's done, then it's just easier than having to come get it all at one time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gives you some motivation to get your house ready for the week ahead. And if you don't care, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime.
Why don't you take this stuff down? Show them that you're responsible and that you're going to keep your stuff picked up. Yeah, and then take the fork downstairs.
Working on my jumpsuit. And then next year I'll be able to actually do it.
Thank you.
Been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah.